As part of our mandate to help modernize and rejuvenate local manufacturing in South Africa, the CSIR has a local facility in Pretoria for hot isostatic pressing, or HIP for short. Our HIP engineers and researchers are helping local companies like MMS develop strong and durable metal components for industries as diverse as aerospace, medical, energy, railway, and mining.
Our involvement and development with CSIR with this HIP is exciting for us as a metallurgical company. We're very excited about the reintroduction of the HIP in South Africa because this is the only HIP available for development and for possible commercial advancements. And it's a powder metallurgy process. So it's densification of metal powders through the HIP process at elevated heat and pressure.
The HIP machine removes pores and weaknesses from metal alloys and can turn metal powders into solid, high-performance components with even the most complex of geometries. A big advantage for local manufacturers is that no welding or machining is needed, which saves on material costs.
So you can do quite intricate parts. The parts that we are aiming to manufacture are for power generation, and they are on typically turbines, and you can imagine the specifications to which those are manufactured, and they have to be precise and they have to conform to certain specifications. Those are specified by the OEMs.
We assist the industries to develop the hipping process. So we need to identify the parameters which are suitable for your production of the component. So we do the research based on that in order for them to get the real part that they are looking for.
Our team of experts conduct tests before and after hipping using metrology equipment and x-rays to ensure that the part has been pressed to remove all pores and potential weak spots or defects.
We start by taking the part in the x-ray machine where we need to check if the part has the defect. We examine the part using the x-ray, and then from then we measure the dimension of the part that is going to be hipped. Noting that we take the part to the hip, we hip at a certain temperature and pressure as requested by the client. After hipping, we take back the part to check if the pores that were seen before hipping are still present. Then we also recheck the dimensions if there's any distortions on the component of the material.
The actual mechanical properties that we've tested of the HIP product exceeds the powder manufacturer's best results ever. It's phenomenal. We can, revitalize the industry.
Where hot isostatic pressing is determined to be a cost-effective and efficient solution, the CSIR's HIP facility can press metal parts on an ongoing basis right here in South Africa, supported by the latest material science research and development.
We invite the industries to come and see the machine and then to come and work with us.